In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp Board View. By the end, you'll feel confident finding your board and using it to see and manage your task in a clean, visual way. First, open ClickUp in your browser or the desktop app and sign in if prompted. Once you're in, look toward the top left area of the interface where your work is organized. ClickUp groups everything into workspaces, which are the highest level of organization. Choose the workspace where your projects live. Right beneath that, select the specific space you want to work in. A space is like a department or project area, and selecting the right one ensures you're looking at the correct set of tasks. Inside your chosen space, you'll see different ways to view your work. Locate the board option along the View tabs. If your space opens in a different view like List or Calendar, just switch over to Board. The board presents your tasks in columns, typically grouped by status such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. This layout is great for at-a-glance tracking and quick updates as work moves forward. Once the board loads, you'll see your existing tasks arranged in their respective columns. Each card represents one task. You can click and drag a task from one column to another to reflect progress, and the status will update automatically as you move it. If your columns feel crowded, you can scroll horizontally or collapse a column to focus on what matters most. To add something new, look for the option to create a task within a column, often shown as a plus button or an Add Task field. Give your task a clear, action-oriented name so it's easy to recognize on the board. Then open the task to add a description. Use this space to explain what needs to be done, include relevant context or links, and outline any important steps or acceptance criteria. A concise, well-structured description helps teammates understand the work without back-and-forth messages. If you need richer detail, you can format text, break work into subtasks, or attach reference files. These are all optional, but useful for clarity. As you work, remember that the board is meant to be interactive. Open a task to review details, close it to return to the board, and drag it to the next column when it's ready. Keeping your board up to date gives everyone a real-time snapshot of progress and helps you spot bottlenecks early. That's it. Head to ClickUp, choose your workspace and space, switch to the board view, and start adding tasks with clear descriptions to keep your work flowing.